ছোট্ট বন্ধুরা, আজকে আমরা শিখব স্মল লেটার ABCD। লেটস স্টার্ট। A for apple, B for bell, C for cycle, D for drum, E for earth, F for flower, G for guitar, H for helicopter, I for insect, J for jackfruit, K for kite, L for light, M for mouse, N for nose, O for ocean, P for popcorn, Q for queen, R for rainbow, S for sheep, T for tomato, U for umbrella, V for van, W for window, X for X-ray, Y for yogurt, Z for zebra. Let's complete.